If you need your carpets repaired, call Chubby.
It's a shame too, because this is nice carpet. My.
If you have pet accidents, call Chubby Carpet Cleaner.
For carpet cleaning and pet repairs, call Chubby Carpet Cleaning in Puyallup.
And that smell you're smelling is like...
If you want your carpets cleaned well in Puyallup or Tacoma, call Chubby Carpet Cleaners.
Yeah. Oh, okay, well, anyhow, I probably just remember.
If you have pet accidents, call Chubby Carpet Cleaner.
Watch out for the poop right there.
If you need your carpets cleaned in Tahale, Bonnie Lake, Puyallup area, call these guys. They do an amazing job. They do carpets, they get slime out, paint out, so parents, you understand. They get pet stains out. They do an amazing job, and their customer service is really, really good. Give them a call.
There we have it. Can't even tell.
If you need your carpets repaired in Puyallup, Washington, call Chubby Carpet Cleaner.
If you have a cat or a dog and you have any accidents, call Chubby.
If you need your upholstery cleaned, we clean sofas and love seats. Give us a call.
If you need your upholstery cleaned, call Chubby Carpet Cleaning in Puyallup.
If you need your carpet repaired or stretched, call Chubby Carpet. If you need your carpet stretched or need to cover up those holes from the cat scratch, call Chubby.
I've never had one, but it wouldn't be like an actual mullet. It'd just be like a down to here, little curly mullet. At Mountain Dew.
You need carpet repair or stretching in the greater Tacoma area, you found your place. Chubby Carpet Cleaner.
Oh. Which is funny. I didn't think I'd run across them. I actually need to call Vaughn. Good.
If you have pet accidents, call Chubby Carpet Cleaner.
If you need your carpet stretched, call Chubby Carpet Cleaning in Puyallup.
We're offering 10% off of all carpet repairs, limited time only.
And it was amazing, so totally recommend them. If you want your carpets clean, call Chubby.
You should have seen it when I first got here. It looks pretty bad. All right.
If you need your carpet cleaned by a really professional and nice company, please call Chubby Carpet.
If you need your upholstery or area rugs done, call Chubby Carpet Cleaner.
If you have carpet that needs to be stretched or holes from your dog scratching, call Chubby.
Do you know about that?
Can I say your name too, or no? If you need your carpets trashed, forgot. Go back.
Hi, is the house? How does it look so far? Can you tell like there's yours? Funny, because their van broke down in the morning.